cannot speak today. Hello, my sunshines. My name is Debbie Mack, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And here with me today, I have a little co-worker. This is my Ian. He is part Chihuahua, part Beagle, and we think part Jack Russell because he's a little stinker. So there's that. And I'm gonna put you down. You said hello. Hello. Today we're going to be trying a very interesting product. I was scouring the interwebs looking for a more non-toxic version of a nail polish remover, and I came across a company called Sign, and they have a product called Remove and Chill Nail Polish Eraser Cream, and I thought, okay, this is really interesting. I have never heard of a nail polish remover cream, and it is supposed to be less toxic than traditional nail polish remover, guys. Let's add that to Debbie's dictionary. Remover. So I thought that I would give it a try. Did it work? Stay tuned and you'll find out. Some of you are probably wondering why I'm wearing a wig today. When I had breast cancer, I had to go through chemotherapy and I lost all of my hair. And that was probably, for me, the worst part of chemo. I could handle being sick and I could handle the infusions themselves because I knew that they were making me well. But what hit me really hard, and I really did not expect it to, was losing my hair, because it felt like not only did I lose a chunk of my breast, I also lost my hair and my ovaries. They took out my ovaries after all of my treatment, and it kind of felt like I had my femininity taken away. I was just not feeling so great about myself lately since I, can't get my hair done. So I thought, you know what? I am gonna throw on my wig and I am going to look maybe a little bit more like my old self and do this video for you guys. Okay guys, let's check this out. So here is the packaging. I don't know if you can see it. It looks pretty cool. I like that. And on the back, it has a sticker that says, whoop, whoop. So it already gets you excited about it before you even open the package. It is a fairly large tube. Pretty cool packaging. Liking it so far. And then there is an instruction card that tells you exactly how to do this. Okay guys, let's try this out. I have 2 different shades on from 2 different clean brands. I'll go ahead and leave the information on those in the description box below, but do know that I will be doing a clean nail polish video sometime soon. Also, I wanted to do red for sure because we all know what happens to red when you try and remove it. It is a mess. Hopefully this stuff will be a little different. So I'm going to go ahead and follow the directions here. Let's see, cap off. It says to apply a thick coat, make sure that I'm in frame here. Apply a thick coat to each nail bed. So I'm just gonna dab it on here. And then it says don't rub it in, but I'm going to just make sure that it's covered. Then I'm going to set my little timer for 3 minutes. So I kind of want to fill you all in When I decided to make this video, I went off of the advice of a popular online publication called Byrdie. They made it sound like a less toxic, more moisturizing nail polish remover that actually worked. Unfortunately, after I ordered it, I did some more research, and those claims seemed to be just a little bit exaggerated as far as I'm concerned. So let me share with you the ingredients in this No Nasties remover, and you can be the judge. And this graphic is from CauseDNA, which is a really awesome site if you like to do research on ingredients like I do. Biggest concern to me were that it involved PEGs. PEGs have controversy pretty much everywhere you look, whether it's being called out for their irritating properties on broken or unhealthy skin, or more importantly to me, its potential for contamination by known carcinogens such as 1,4-dioxane. As a breast cancer survivor, I personally try to limit the use of PEGs in my personal care. That's just me. Oop, I missed a spot over there. See if I can get that. The next ingredient is phenoxyethanol, and as far as I've read, phenoxyethanol is pretty much one of the safer synthetics in cosmetics today. It really only becomes harmful when it's ingested or comes in contact with your eyes or is inhaled. So let's not inhale nail polish remover, guys. And last but not least, we have limonene, which is a solvent and a fragrance and is a known irritant. Even though it has never bothered my skin, it might bother somebody else's. I'm personally not super worried about it, but somebody else might be. So that's that on that for me. So enough heavy talk for a minute, and let's see if this stuff works. I think I've given it ample time. Let me get a clean little swabby, and we'll start with a purple. Hi guys, it is once again magical editing unicorn Debbie, and I'm an idiot. I actually skipped a step in this process. After letting it sit for the 3 minute, you're supposed to rub it in a little bit, and yeah, I forgot to do that. So that could account for why it was more difficult to remove. So take that into consideration. Sorry guys. Okay, I mean, it's coming off, but not super easy. Let's try another nail. Maybe I just missed those spots. Yeah, I must have just missed some spots because it came off really easy on this nail. All right, let's switch cotton pads and try the red. I'm kind of nervous about this one. I mean, it's removing it pretty well. I mean, look at that. There's not that like red smear that's usually smeared across your nails and cuticles when you take off red polish. So that's pretty cool. Oops, I keep going out of frame. I'm so sorry, you guys. I mean, it works, you just might have to work at it a little bit harder in some areas. But look at the shine on my nails. They do look nice and moisturized, and my cuticles definitely do not feel dry or stinging like they normally do with regular nail polish remover. So I guess that's a plus. All in all, it did an okay job. I think I will have to try and experiment it. I think I will try and have to experiment with it a little more to see if it really lives up to the hype. Will I continue using it? Maybe. Will I buy it again? Probably not, but that's because of my personal views on what I want to avoid, and that would mainly be the PEGs in this formula. I guess what I'm trying to say is non-toxic and clean are in the eye of the beholder. Everyone's standards are different. My standards are different from yours, and vice versa. So it's really up to you to do your own research and maybe use something a little more solid than an article in your favorite beauty blog. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today, you guys. I really had a blast. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. Hit the subscribe button and ring that bell, and that way you'll be notified whenever I make future videos for you. And I hope you're all taking care of yourselves. And let's not forget to take care of each other too. Thanks a lot, you guys. Bye.